Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing a product that will help your stove to be so clean. Look at the before and the after. Isn't this so beautiful and wonderful? Stay tuned and watch till the end because why not? So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Thepinkstuff. The product is called the Thepinkstuff and it's found on Amazon, on eBay, all the drugstores. Okay, I got mine from our local drugstore in Germany, and this is the consistency. It's very hard, like clay. It's so thick and it's like a dough. Okay, it's like a dough. Yes, this is the consistency. It's like a thick cream. So let's get to business. So I have a lot of kitchen cleaning products, especially for my stove, but it doesn't work. After you cook, you see this hard stuff built on the stove, and it makes the stove so untidy. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the Thepinkstuff. Just take a small tiny bit and smear it all over your stove and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, but I left mine for about 10 minutes. It's so good to take out everything that is on the stove, all the oils and the dirt and the, you know what I'm talking about. So this is why I was smearing everything on my stove, and after 10 minutes I came to scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, because why not? I want a clean stove. Yes, so feel free to scrub and scrub and scrub like how I'm doing. And after that, find a cotton napkin like this and then wipe all the surfaces so slowly and clean. Okay, make sure you get the product out of the corners, because it's a thick product, it gets into the 4 corners. Make sure you use your knife to remove everything from it to avoid it clogging. You can see from where I am removing, yeah, there was some product there and I had to remove everything. So feel free and yeah, work. After cleaning the product off the stove, we will be needing glass cleaner. A glass cleaner like this, okay, because the stove is glass, so automatically it has to shine. It has to shine. So just spray some glass cleaner on it and use a new dry napkin to wipe the surface for the shine. This is where the magic comes. After you use the glass cleaner, you see